Mates, think about the last time your team had to plan something together. Chances are you ended up juggling several tools at once, and things still felt scattered. That's where visual collaboration comes in. One shared space where your whole team can think, plan, and build without losing context. I'm Daniel, and today we're looking at Vani by Zoho. It's an online whiteboard and visual collaboration platform built around an infinite canvas, AI tools, ready-made templates, kits, DB tables, and a built-in video feature called Catch-up. We'll walk through what it does, how it works in practice, and who it's actually useful for. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Let's get into it. Friends, Vani is an online whiteboard and visual collaboration tool from Zoho. It's built for teams that need more than just a place to draw boxes. It's a workspace where you can brainstorm, plan, and actually execute together without switching tabs. The whole experience lives in one place. There's no stitching together separate tools or switching between apps mid-session. Everything your team needs to think through an idea and actually act on it is already there. Folks, it integrates with tools you probably already use. Microsoft Teams, Zoho Mail, and more are already connected, with additional integrations on the way. On the pricing side, there's a free plan to get started. You get a 30-day free trial on the paid plan, and no credit card is required to start. Vani fits pretty much any team that spends time planning together, whether that's a weekly stand-up, a product roadmap, or a full campaign kickoff. If your current setup feels more like damage control than actual collaboration, this is worth a look. Guys, let's see what this actually looks like in practice. Starting inside the dashboard, the first step is creating a new space, your main working environment built on an infinite canvas. It loads with a templates panel on the left, so there's no need to start from scratch. Templates here go beyond basic visual starters. Take the strategy planning table, it drops straight onto the canvas, and every element is editable from the start. A built-in AI panel sits right inside the space. So if you have a rough outline, you can rephrase or tighten it without leaving the canvas to paste things into another tool. Mates, the template library covers a solid range of situations: brainstorming sessions, team kickoffs, workflow planning, and more. Each one is a real starting point that you can shape to fit your project, which saves more time than you'd think when a deadline is close. Next is Vani AI, the dedicated assistant built into the platform. To see it in action, let's generate a decision tree for a loan approval process. The result is ready in seconds. You can zoom in, explore the structure, and drag it directly onto your working area. From there, annotate it or highlight key steps with the pen and marker tool. Frames are up next. You can insert a frame sized for a specific device or social media format and work on a layout together with your team in real time. Everyone contributes to the same frame and sees exactly how it'll look at the right dimensions. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The text tools let you add copy blocks, pick from font combinations, and refine content with AI directly inside the block. Ideation and writing stay in the same place without switching contexts. The Elements section includes connectors, sticky notes, and placeholders. Vani's tools go beyond simple visuals, like basic shapes and diagrams. One powerful addition is DB tables, structured data grids integrated directly into your workspace. They let your team track tasks, metrics, and research data next to your visuals. These tables keep important details in context with what you're building without switching apps. You still get mind maps to break down complex topics. Kanban boards help you move work through stages and stay organized. DB tables add a layer of structured collaboration for real work tracking and planning. Friends, task trackers round out the planning side, useful when multiple people own different pieces of a project. Pair one with a mind map, and you've got planning and execution covered in the same workspace. The Upload section lets you bring in images, documents, audio, and video. If your team is deep in the product spec, the brief and reference materials can live right next to the working canvas. No digging through shared drives mid-session. There's also an embed feature. Pulling in a YouTube video or a Google Maps location, places it directly on the canvas as a live reference. It's a small thing that keeps the whole team oriented, without anyone needing to open a separate tab. Folks, the Gadgets section adds timers, polls, and even a dice tool for those moments when a team genuinely can't pick a direction. Pins let you mark and name key sections of a large canvas, a feedback zone, a design review area, a strategy board. On a busy whiteboard with multiple contributors, being able to jump between sections without scrolling endlessly makes a real difference. Comments and reactions are tied directly to specific spots on the canvas, which keeps feedback anchored to the work rather than buried in a chat thread. Flows let you sequence frames into a presentation and export them as a PDF, handy for async reviews where stakeholders need to move through the work on their own time. And then there's Catch-up, folks. This is a built-in video call that launches directly inside the space. Everyone on the call sees the same canvas in real time. No screen sharing required. For a design review or a brainstorming session, cutting out the switch to a separate video app removes more friction than you'd expect. And since the conversation happens right where the work is, nothing gets lost between the call and the canvas. Finally, Zen mode clears the toolbar and UI from view when you need to focus. The canvas stays. Everything else steps back. Simple, but genuinely useful when you're trying to get something done. Guys, let's wrap it up. If your team is currently using separate tools for whiteboarding, video calls, and project planning, Vani brings all of that into a single space. From my point of view, the catch-up feature is the piece that ties everything together. Being able to meet and work on the same canvas simultaneously, without switching apps, is genuinely useful for distributed teams. And the template library makes it easy to get started on almost any kind of project, without overthinking the setup. There's a free plan available if you want to explore it, and the team plan comes with a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. The sign-up link is in the description below, so go check it out. My friends, before you go, is there a specific type of team collaboration your current tools still aren't handling well? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.